To remove either of the rear doors on your vehicle, first, roll down the window to prevent any damage. Find the supplied toolkit inside the center console and use the number 50 Torx head driver to remove the hinge pin nuts from the upper and lower outside hinges of the door. You'll find a fastener bin with dedicated slots to hold each of the hinge pin nuts located below the rear seat. You can stow them in the slots provided. Next, slide the front seat fully forward on whichever side you're removing the rear door. To remove both rear doors, slide both front seats forward. Find the plastic wiring access door at the bottom of the B-pillar. Pry off the access door and remove it. Now it's time to disconnect the wiring harness. To unlock the wiring connector, squeeze the tab at the base of the harness. Then pull straight down to unplug it. Store the wiring connector in the lower door basket. Finally, use the number 40 Torx head driver to remove the check bolt from the center door check and stow it in the fastener bin. You can now lift the door upward, being sure to clear the hinge pins from their hinges and remove the door. To reinstall the doors, carefully reverse these removal steps. You'll note a longer pin on the upper hinge. This helps guide the door into place during reinstallation. Keep in mind, these doors are heavy. The help of a second person is recommended. Please use caution during removal and reinstallation. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.